take the hand crank out from the drawer under the bench seat. Alternatively, you may find the hand crank in the stowage bag for the camping seats. Insert the crank handle in the awning until the stop. Turn and release slightly to allow the end of the hand crank to slip into the slot. The hand crank now cannot fall out of the socket inadvertently, which could cause damage to the vehicle if it should make contact with it. Extend the awning by a maximum of 50 centimeters. Now take the supports out from the awning housing. Loosen the screw and extend the support to an adequate length. Then tighten the screw again. Repeat these steps for the second support. Carefully extend the awning further. Make sure that the supports do not lean over too far. Reposition the supports so that they are upright again. Repeat this procedure until the awning is fully extended. Lower the aft support a little so that any rain can drain off. Make sure that the front passenger door can be opened without making contact with the awning. Finally, secure each support with 2 pegs. To retract the awning, proceed in the opposite sequence. Crank the awning back until you feel resistance to the hand crank. A small gap when the awning is closed is normal. If you attempt to force the gap closed by applying increased force, you will damage the awning. The following steps show in an abbreviated manner how 2 persons can extend the awning. The detailed explanation of the intermediate steps can be found in the explanation on how 1 person alone can extend the awning. Extend the awning by 50 centimeters again. Now, the second person supports the awning until it is fully extended. The remaining work steps are identical to the setup by 1 person. To retract the awning again, proceed in the opposite sequence.